How to make women chase you, 12 powerful tactics. Ever wondered why you're not getting the attention you deserve from women? The problem might not be with them, but with the way you're approaching dating. If you're tired of feeling overlooked or undervalued, it's time to switch up your game. Here are 12 crucial tactics to make women chase you, enhance your dating life, and build genuine connections. 12. Not sticking to a single choice. A common pitfall in dating is putting all your eggs in one basket, driven by a scarcity mindset. This mindset assumes opportunities are limited, leading to frustration when things don't work out. Real success in dating comes from an abundance mindset, recognizing that there are countless opportunities out there. If one girl doesn't pan out, don't waste time moping, move on and stay open to new possibilities. Embrace the idea that if one doesn't work out, there are plenty more chances ahead. Keep your head high and your eyes open for the next opportunity. 11. Make your absence felt. Being too available is a mistake that makes you seem less valuable. Just like in economics, where supply and demand determine value, your constant presence can devalue your worth. By taking a step back and being less accessible, you create curiosity and a sense of longing. Your absence will make her appreciate your value and your time. If she's genuinely interested, she'll notice and reach out. If not, it's better to move on and find someone who values your presence. 10. Create a little jealousy. Jealousy can be a powerful tool when used wisely. The goal isn't to be cruel or play mind games, but to subtly show that your world doesn't revolve around her. By spending time with friends, engaging with other women, and enjoying your life, you demonstrate that you're a catch with a vibrant life. This shift in attention can trigger her instinct to pursue you, wanting to be a part of your exciting world. Embrace the fact that you're desirable and let her see it. 9. Seeking validation isn't your thing. Constantly seeking approval or trying to impress isn't attractive. Women are drawn to men who are self-confident and self-assured. If you're constantly reassuring her or seeking validation, you're inadvertently putting her on a pedestal. Instead, be authentic and confident in yourself. Show that you know your worth and aren't dependent on external validation. This genuine self-assuredness is far more seductive and will have her pursuing you for the right reasons. 8. Stay playful. Adding a touch of playfulness to your interactions can make a significant difference. This doesn't mean becoming a class clown, but incorporating small, engaging elements into your conversations. Tease her gently, mimic her playfully, or challenge her opinions in a fun way. This playful banter keeps interactions exciting and shows that you bring joy and laughter into her life. Balance this playfulness with emotional reliability to create a captivating and enjoyable presence. 7. Text like a pro. Texting can make or break your dating game. Instant, constant replies can come across as desperation. Instead, take your time responding to texts to signal that you have a busy, fulfilling life. This approach creates curiosity and makes her wonder about your activities. By not being immediately available, you increase your attractiveness and make her more interested in what you're up to. This curiosity will have her chasing after you, eager to learn more about your life. 6. Make your compliments count. When giving compliments, aim for sincerity and specificity. Avoid generic remarks and focus on what truly impresses you about her. Instead of saying she has nice eyes, highlight unique aspects of her personality or talents. If she's a musician, for instance, compliment her passion and talent rather than just the surface level. A thoughtful, genuine compliment shows that you see and appreciate her for who she really is, making your praise more impactful. 5. Have deep conversations. To forge a meaningful connection, move beyond small talk and engage in deep conversations. Ask about her life choices, passions, and cherished memories. This approach helps you understand her on a deeper level and builds trust. When she shares her thoughts and experiences, it demonstrates that you care about her beyond just surface interactions. This depth fosters a stronger connection and makes you more memorable. 4. Live in the moment with charisma. Charisma is about being fully present and engaged. Don't let past mistakes or future worries cloud your interactions. Learn from charismatic figures like Conor McGregor, who captivate with their presence and authenticity. Eliminate distractions like social media and focus on being genuinely present in the moment. This commitment to the here and now enhances your attractiveness and makes you more engaging. 3. Setting high standards in a relationship. Having clear standards and expectations in a relationship is crucial. Insisting on open communication and respect reflects self-respect and confidence. Stand firm on what matters to you and avoid compromising on essential values. This clarity will attract someone who shares your values and respects your boundaries. High standards signal that you know your worth and won't settle for less. 2. Be the decider. Women appreciate men who take charge and make decisions. When planning dates or activities, know where you're going and what you'll be doing. Avoid hesitation and let her make decisions all the time. Show confidence in your choices and leadership abilities. Being decisive and capable of planning demonstrates that you're committed and capable of steering the relationship. 1. Be the decider. Women appreciate men who take charge and make decisions. When planning dates or activities, know where you're going and what you'll be doing. Avoid hesitation and let her make decisions all the time. Show confidence in your choices and leadership abilities. Being decisive and capable of planning demonstrates that you're committed and capable of steering the relationship. Ready to transform your dating life? Start implementing these 12 tactics today and watch how women's interest in you grows. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on improving your relationships and dating game. Share your experiences or ask questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.